I am back. I was gonna post Sunday and Saturday. I was like, I'm gonna do a video, But one, the Wi-Fi and my data don't, if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, then I'm not gonna be able to upload without using shit tons of data. And the schedule just did not work out. And I guess I could talk about something today that kind of pisses me off. And it's the subject of the safety pin thing. A safety pin thing, like Crystal Berry, like sovereignty or whatever the fuck you want to call it. And basically, you put it on and it's for like, political hate moves and shit, and it's just annoying. So, it's annoying. And I showed the video, it was on Instagram, and he was like, well, I participate in that. And I was like, oh shit. So, yeah. And, ooh, what you got there, buddy? He got a drink. Here, hold that and videotape me.
Wait, I'm trying to steal. Has batteries in it. It's just taped. Oh, shut up, dog. Come here, dog.
You have no power.
How?
Are you gonna videotape me? You're videotaping yourself right now, dumb shit.
Oh, my bad.
There, like that. Hold it like that.
Come here.
So that means it's on, right?
Yeah.
You're not videotaping me. What kind of shit ass tape is this?
It's not tape, it's stickers.
Hold that.
Yo, you're rude.
You want me to fix it for you?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
Dude, you have to take the paper
It'll
off it.
work. What's this 0% mean?
I farted.
What are these, double A's? Do you have
Yeah.
any more?
Oh, why? Do you?
Oh no, it might be the batteries.
That's not
What
weird.
the hell are these things?
The way batteries.
I know that.
Can you go get some double A batteries?
Hold on. Where the fuck did this go?
I don't know. Just make it like that.
How much was this thing?
Huh?
How much was this thing?
I don't know. My brother gave it to me.
It's probably fucking broken. Flash memories. Wait, does this take its own batteries?
Why?
Does it?
Yeah. No, but it has like a, it's like one of those electronical batteries like in your phone.
Did you charge it?
It doesn't have like that, like an iPod or something.
Can you pull it out and put it on like a charger?
No,
Then how the hell are you supposed to charge this stupid thing?
it doesn't have. It doesn't charge. That was your fault, thumbnail. I'm gonna stop
Where's your
recording.
problem?
What? What?
I don't know.
What's my problem? I start recording now.
Holy fuck. Wait, you paused it? No, you didn't.
No, can you stop?
No.
I'm gonna pause it.
Videotaping.
What? Just go ask your dad if you put nobody batteries.
Well, the problem is you don't have a cover on these things. Don't ever have any duct tape around here.
Just go ask your dad if he has any double batteries.
I don't think it's the batteries. I think it's you don't have a strong cover. What's up, buddy? Hi, buddy. Oh, where is the freaking duct tape? There's. Oh, shut the hell. Max!
Crazy dog.
You dipshit.
Ow, what the hell? That hurt. Meanie, that hurt. No, don't even. Ow, what the hell?
What is this, a slap-off competition?
No, I'm sorry.
We're gonna fix this goddamn thing for you before I break the sumbitch.
What? I get maximum attention. Taking forever. You get it done? Oh my god.
The batteries are...
What? No, go the other way. Oh, don't. Hey, man.
You know how to start?
My brother's house. Let me see it. And probably now it's different. Yeah, I think you just hold it. Dude, stop shaking it.
Point the thing directly at it.
I think it might be the batteries.
Alright. So turn this off.
Ask your dad for some batteries.
My dad ain't home. I'll fix them.
Fix them with you?
No! Here, it is.
Hi, Max.
Don't worry about him, it's just dumb shit. Just gonna shut the door. Like so. Those batteries are dead, that doesn't help. Max, quit it! Alright, let's see. He's got a double. See if he even has any doubles. What the hell kind of batteries are those? Those aren't double A's, obviously. Oh shit. Doubles, right? Yep, doubles. Alright, sweet. Alright. Alright. Ooh, there we go. Alright, oh shit. So I'm guessing that means something. Yeah, it was the batteries then. Alright. So. Turn it on.
What?
Turn the drone on. Turn it on and put it down there. And then videotape me. Video me.
Holy shit, dude. Dude, go up. Hold on a sec, stop.
You almost had it. You're not even videotaping.
Yeah, I'm not.
Very bad place to hold the thing.
Here, let me grab it.
No, you gotta make sure it works. Watch it.
I think it's broken.
If we got it to work.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Videotape the drone.
I think it's broken. Let me try it. And give it to me.
Let me try it.
Hold on.
I'm bored of holding on.
Follow me. Turn that off for now. Follow me.
What are we doing?
You'll see.
Oh, are we making like a landing zone for it?
What?
Or like a landing zone or something?
No.
What are we doing?
You'll see. In a second. Videotape me. Video up here.
I know.
Where's the thing?
What are we gonna be doing?
You'll see in a second. Let's go grab the controller. You can just stay there.
Oh, well, never mind.
I need to. No, we're done with this now. Alright.
I should come? Hello. Dude, that's not gonna work. Actually, I have to go like in it.
Hmm?
I have to go inside it. Don't fuck. Don't
I
fit.
was just getting something.
No, just forget it.
If we get it to work and I know what the problem is, just the battery's popping out, most likely.
Dude, that's never gonna work. I can tell. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna give up. See, I told you it doesn't work.
Hold on.
Just give up. You give up. I completely give up. Yep, I'm really going hunting. Oh, never mind. Just forget about it. I'm going home. Just forget about it, bro. It's never gonna work. Dude, it's never gonna work. I see what the problem is. Look. When the thing is broken.
Okay, your point.
It might be that.
It's always a possibility.
Got it.
Yeah, but it's not making colors anymore.
Just forget about it. It's broken. That's the SD's card.
Yeah.
Just forget about it.
No, I'm not forgetting about it.
I'm ending the video.
Mm.
Don't forget about it. I'm gonna end the video. End it.
I'm doing something. I want to help you fix.
I don't want it to be fixed. Go in the bathroom anyway.
So all the propellers turn.
Dude, did you give this to your dog?
No.
I just found it right there. Dude, just freaking forget about it. Dude, it's not turning on yet. Just forget about it. Give up.
Never give up. Alright. Tell you what I'm gonna do. If you let me, I'll fix it. Or at least try to fix it. I'll make a build series out of it.
I can give it to you for a few days to try and fix it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, bye. I'm going home.
See you, bud. First thing I want to check out, if I have a small enough freaking screwdriver to do this. If I don't, then the build's off. Alright. This should work. Holy shit, it's a small ass freaking nut. Alright, here we got something that might work. Thing is, I don't think I have a small enough freaking thing to do it. Try this really small one. Holy shit, this is small. don't even know if I could read that with my thing. I need a bigger SD card. A reader or something. So we know that the remote turns on. Alright, so I'm not gonna flip that. Alright, sweet. So I got one of the wings off. Here's the second one. Maybe. Alright, so there's wing number 2. I'm pretty sure this video might end soon. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and if you want a shout out, comment and I'll do it in the next video. So, see y'all later.